Hello, welcome to this tropical update. So we have Hurricane Beryl there. It's about to make landfall in parts of the Windward Islands there. So it's a little behind schedule because the times we showed you yesterday, it didn't make landfall yet, but it affected a lot Tobago there, lots of rain in parts of Trinidad, and some very high winds are happening now in Barbados there, and a lot of heavy rain. So it's almost about to make landfall in the southern Grenadines there and affect Grenada. So please be safe, and let's see here what else we have. So Hurricane Beryl there, this other area has actually decreased the probabilities a little bit. So showers and thunderstorms associated with an area of low pressure over 1,000 miles east of the Windward Islands. Environmental conditions appear only marginally conducive for additional development of the system, and a tropical depression could form by middle part of this week while it moves westward about 15 to 20 miles per hour across the central western tropical Atlantic. So interested in the lesser entities should monitor the progress of the system, but it's only at 30-60% now. It was at 70 yesterday. And then we have tropical depression Chris there. It briefly turned into tropical storm Chris there. So we had the tropical storm there. It made landfall in Mexico there, and there's still the very high rainfall potential there. So very dangerous rainfall could cause flooding and mudslides there still. So let's see here. Wait. The Hurricane Beryl here, so let's see. This is the new track. It has changed somewhat since yesterday. So there was an eyewall replacement cycle overnight, and it weakened to a category 3. But now it has strengthened a little more, and it has gained that eye again. So let's see. It's forecast to remain a major hurricane until Tuesday, and then pass as a category 2 just south of Jamaica there, then make landfall in northern Belize and the Yucatan there in Mexico, and then emerge as a tropical storm in the Bay of Campeche. But that area is still kind of uncertain still. So we have the tropical storm watches there, and the tropical storm and hurricane warnings there in the Windward Islands. So let's see here. The surface wind here, the hurricane and tropical storm force wind field, and let's see here the rainfall potential, if there are any updates. So they say 10 plus inches locally, 8 plus locally, and 5 plus locally, and more rain in some areas further north in the Dominican Republic. In eastern Puerto Rico we could get some rain, and Jamaica down the road on Wednesday. So let's see the arrival time of the winds. So it's currently there. That they say Monday 8 a.m. there in the islands, but I think it's already 9 a.m. in the Atlantic there. But let's see, by Jamaica by Wednesday there should arrive. And let's see the tropical storm force wind probabilities are very high in Jamaica, and let's see, they're in the Caribbean, of course, it's more than 100%. That other system there that went into Mexico, and the hurricane wind speed probabilities, so mainly there in the islands. So let's see here. So this is almost making landfall. By the time, just as I'm making this video, there are impacts occurring in those islands. So please be safe. I'm praying you all are able to go through this, and it's affecting those islands just as I make this video here. So it's about to make landfall in the next few hours there. So please be safe. Let's see here. This is interesting too, what the recon aircraft saw inside the hurricane. So they got some very high winds there. Those are like more than 113 knots of winds in the eye wall of the hurricane there. They saw some other strong winds there too. And let's see here the current storm. So there's the latest image, the track. There's some auto guidance here, taking it some through Jamaica, but mostly south of Jamaica and into the Yucatan and Gulf of Mexico there. So the low pressure there, and a little bit more spread here, but generally that track, and we'll have to watch in Mexico and Texas down the road. We have some other tracks here, and the intensity guidance, so it's now at Cat 4 again. So, but it will weaken generally, and the days are down here, like 24 hours in the next day, 48 hours, 60 hours. So this is the intensity, and let's see here. Some models, so ignore ignore the intensity there, because these models are like way off. It's like 950 something millibars now, and it's showing 971. So ignore the intensity and just focus on the track that the GFS has. So it takes it like through Jamaica there, and then into the Yucatan. It kind of falls apart a little bit, but it tries to form there again. It goes into Texas and Mexico there, and then that other system back behind it. It tries to form there, that other system, and it takes like the same track but more into Texas later. But this is like a week out in the GFS, so take that as a grain of salt. But let's see the Euro, the same thing. Ignore the intensity because this model is like way off. So let's see, it has it just south of Jamaica, but a lot of impacts coming there as well. And then it goes right through Belize in the Yucatan by Saturday, late Friday and Saturday, and then it goes to the Gulf of Mexico and into Mexico there later. So this is the Euro. Let's see what the Canadian has. It has the hurricane there. It goes through Jamaica and potentially a little further north in the Yucatan there, and into the Gulf. So we gotta keep watching this. And in the next system, very weak, almost nothing. So let's see here what else we have. So wait, here let's see some visible satellite here. You can see as morning hours come, you can see the hurricane there. Very good structure. And let's see some models now. Let's see what we can get here. Here. So Hurricane Beryl, but wait, let's see if we can get this. So there's the hurricane there, and ignore the intensity because these models are like way off. But let's see some more tracks. They have it through the Caribbean there, into the Yucatan, maybe affecting Central America too. And let's see. Let's put the whole run here. So it's generally that, and that system tries to form, but it remains weak there. So let's see here the GEFS. So the GFS at 240 hours. He has that system there, but slightly stronger than the Euro and Hurricane Beryl there, going into Central America and the Yucatan and potentially Texas, but more ensembles going to Mexico there, passing through Jamaica or just south. So let's see here. Maybe some rainfall stuff here. So let's see. There's the hurricane there. Let's see. So in the next 3 days, most of this rainfall is happening now because of this system. So a lot of rain there, and I want to show you further north. It shows some more too in these areas here of Dominica. Let's see. Maybe in eastern Puerto Rico, like I showed you, some more. The Dominican Republic, more too from this system. And the Euro has a passing just south of Jamaica there, but lots of rain will affect Jamaica too. But it has a passing just south. The GFS has it right over Jamaica, and the icon has just south there too. But there'll be a lot of strong winds and rainfall in Jamaica, even if this passes south. So let's see here. So start preparing there too in Jamaica, and let's see. So the true color satellite here. So it's about. I keep saying this because this is a category 4 hurricane about to make a landfall in those islands. So this is really serious. It's like almost making landfall. So this is why I keep saying this. So please be careful. Let's see if we can get some more different types of satellite here. Oh, there's this one too. Very powerful hurricane. Yes, so this is it. Please stay safe, and we'll keep monitoring everything.